Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to add your American Express card to Apple Pay using your iPhone. First, grab your iPhone and open the American Express app. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all the American Express cards linked to your account. Tap on the specific card that you'd like to add to Apple Pay. After selecting the card, look for the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. Scroll down until you find the Payment section. In this section, tap on Add Card to Wallet and Merchants. Next, select Apple Pay from the available options. You'll then be asked to confirm the card you want to add. At this stage, you may need to enter the 4-digit security code found on the front of your card for verification purposes. Once you've entered the code, tap Done. On the following screen, tap Add to Apple Wallet. Your iPhone will now begin the setup process. You'll be shown the terms and conditions for Apple Pay. Make sure to read through them, then tap Agree to continue. To complete the setup, you'll receive a verification code, either by text, email, or through the app, depending on your account settings. Enter the code when prompted to finalize the activation. Once verified, your American Express card will be successfully added to Apple Pay. After activation, you'll also have the option to set the card as your default payment method if you'd like. And that's it. You're all set to start making contactless payments with your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.